Europa, one of Jupiter's many moons, is a fascinating world. It's a place that has intrigued scientists and astronomers for many years. Don't let its size fool you. Despite being smaller than Earth's moon, Europa holds mysteries that are far beyond our imagination. This moon is indeed smaller than our own, but its significance in the quest for extraterrestrial life is immense. Europa holds a secret that has captivated scientists for decades. This secret lies beneath its thick, icy crust. Beneath its icy surface lies a vast ocean, an ocean that stretches across the entire moon. This ocean is thought to contain more water than all the oceans on Earth combined. Imagine the sheer volume of water hidden beneath that ice. This hidden ocean is what makes Europa so intriguing. It's a place that could potentially harbor life. It's a place where life might exist far from the sun's warmth. The ocean could be teeming with life forms that thrive in the dark, cold depths. Imagine a world with alien creatures swimming in the dark depths. These creatures could be unlike anything we've ever seen on Earth. Could Europa be hiding such wonders? The possibility of discovering alien life on Europa is a tantalizing thought. The possibility is too exciting to ignore. Scientists are eager to explore Europa further, to uncover its secrets and perhaps one day find evidence of life beyond our planet. The thought of life on Europa is not just a fantasy. It's a tantalizing possibility that has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons, has long been a subject of fascination due to its icy surface and the mysteries that lie beneath it. It's a real possibility that scientists are eager to explore. The excitement in the scientific community is palpable as researchers from various fields come together to study this intriguing moon. They are driven by the hope of finding signs of life in one of the most unlikely places in our solar system. Life needs a few essential things to exist. These fundamental requirements are water, a source of energy, and the right chemical building blocks. Without these, life as we know it cannot thrive. These include water, a source of energy, and the right chemical building blocks. Water is essential for all known forms of life, serving as a solvent in which biochemical reactions occur. Energy is needed to drive these reactions, and the right chemical elements and compounds are necessary to build the complex molecules that make up living organisms. Amazingly, Europa seems to have all three. Beneath its thick icy crust lies a vast ocean of liquid water, kept from freezing by the heat generated from tidal forces as Europa orbits Jupiter. The ocean beneath the ice is the water source. This subsurface ocean is thought to be in contact with Europa's rocky mantle, which could provide the necessary minerals and nutrients to support life. The energy could come from hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. These vents are similar to those found on Earth's ocean floors, where they create environments rich in chemicals and heat. These vents spew out heat and chemicals. The interaction between the water and the rocky mantle could create hydrothermal vents that release heat and a variety of chemicals into the ocean. On Earth, such vents support thriving ecosystems. These ecosystems are home to a variety of organisms that have adapted to the extreme conditions, relying on chemosynthesis rather than photosynthesis to produce energy. Finally, scientists believe Europa contains the chemical ingredients needed for life. These include carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur, which are the building blocks of the molecules essential for life. These ingredients could have been delivered by comets and asteroids. Over the eons, impacts from these celestial bodies could have brought the necessary organic compounds to Europa's surface, where they may have been incorporated into the subsurface ocean. With all these factors in place, the possibility of life on Europa is tantalizing. The next steps involve sending missions to Europa to drill through the ice and explore the ocean below. If we find even the simplest forms of life, it would revolutionize our understanding of life's potential in the universe. To unlock Europa's secrets, NASA is sending a spacecraft on an epic voyage. The mission is called Europa Clipper, and it's set to launch in 2024. This sophisticated spacecraft will journey for 6 years. Its destination? Jupiter and its intriguing moon, Europa. Europa Clipper won't land on the Moon itself. Instead, it will orbit Jupiter. From there, it will make repeated close flybys of Europa. During these flybys, it will gather crucial data about the Moon's composition, surface, and its hidden ocean. Europa Clipper is equipped with a suite of cutting-edge instruments. These instruments will help us learn as much as possible about Europa, even without landing on its surface. One important instrument is the ice-penetrating radar. This radar will allow scientists to peer beneath Europa's icy shell. It will help them determine the thickness of the ice and map the structure of the ocean below. Another vital instrument is the magnetometer. This instrument will measure Europa's magnetic field. By studying these measurements, scientists can learn about the composition and salinity of the subsurface ocean. Section 5. The search for life in our solar system. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound quests in science. Europa Clipper is a key part of this quest. It's not the only mission looking for life in our solar system, though. Other missions are targeting places like Mars and Saturn's moon Enceladus. These celestial bodies also show signs of potentially habitable environments. Together, these missions are painting a more complete picture of the potential for life beyond our planet. Section 6. The challenges of exploring Europa. Exploring a world like Europa is no easy feat. This icy moon of Jupiter presents a myriad of obstacles that make the mission both daunting and exhilarating. It comes with unique challenges that scientists and engineers must overcome. From the initial planning stages to the final execution, every step is fraught with complexity. One major challenge is distance. Europa is not just a hop, skip and a jump away. Europa is incredibly far from Earth, approximately 390 million miles away. This vast distance means that any mission to Europa requires meticulous planning and years of travel. Traveling there takes years, even with the most advanced spacecraft. The journey itself is a test of endurance for both the technology and the team behind it. Another challenge is the harsh radiation environment around Jupiter. Jupiter's powerful magnetic field traps high-energy particles, creating intense radiation belts. Europa Clipper needs to be shielded from this radiation to protect its sensitive instruments and ensure the mission's success. Engineers have to design robust radiation shields to safeguard the spacecraft. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards of exploring Europa are immense. The scientific community is buzzing with anticipation. The discoveries made by Europa Clipper could revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe. If we find evidence of life, it would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history, reshaping our view of our place in the cosmos. Section 7. Europa Clipper. A technological marvel. To overcome the challenges of exploring Europa, NASA has packed Europa Clipper with cutting-edge technology. This spacecraft is a testament to human ingenuity. One of its key features is its radiation shielding. This shielding will protect the spacecraft's sensitive instruments from Jupiter's intense radiation belts. Another impressive feature is its advanced propulsion system. This system will allow Europa Clipper to make precise maneuvers around Jupiter and Europa, ensuring it can gather the data scientists need. Section 8. Inspiring future generations. Missions like Europa Clipper are not just about scientific discovery, they are also about inspiration. They inspire future generations to dream big and pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics or STEM. These missions show us that anything is possible when we set our minds to it. They ignite our curiosity and push us to explore the unknown. Section 9. Unlocking the mysteries of the universe. The universe is full of mysteries, and missions like Europa Clipper are helping us unlock them. By exploring worlds beyond our own, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. We learn about the diversity of planets and moons that exist. We discover new and fascinating environments. And we inch closer to answering the fundamental question, are we alone in the universe? Section 10. A new era of exploration. We are entering a new era of exploration. Spacecraft like Europa Clipper are paving the way for even more ambitious missions. In the future, we may send landers to Europa's surface to collect samples and search for direct evidence of life. We may even one day send human explorers to this intriguing world. The possibilities are limitless.